Hi guys, it's Eamon here from Helvetic. Today I'm at the Avalon Hotel here in Castlecomer. You can see the hotel here through the glass at the front. So this is an outdoor area that the hotel have installed here in the last couple of months. You can see the bar here behind me. So this roof opens and closes. This glass front drops up and down, and it seats around 80 people. You can see the seating here behind us. So what we've done is we have supplied the infrared panels for this space. You can see one down at the bar there, over the bar. There's two here and two over my head. So they're nice and slim, and they're fitted directly onto that tracking here, and they can be angled whatever angle you want. So these are at 45 degrees. So we've five over here and we've another four over here. So this area is around 80 square meters, and the infrared panels radiate down the heat into the space and gives all these tables and chairs, which you can see 1, 2, 3, 4 here. So there's 4 tables and chairs here, and then there's another one here, and then there's another 3 tables and chairs along here, and then we've more tables and chairs here. So it sits around 80, 100 people, and you can see another 1, 2, 3, 4 tables along the front facing the courtyard. So these panels offer a nice gentle heat down into this area. The feedback is very positive, regardless of the temperature outside, regardless of how much wind is there. The people that are using the space are nice and warm. It's a tiled floor as well, but the infrared panel, they're around 2.7 meters high, but they'll radiate a nice gentle heat down into this space and make it nice and comfortable. So with an open space like this, it is difficult to heat because it's an indoor space. So you need airflow. But with our pH panel, these are very effective in a space like this. So smoking area, anything like that, they're very capable of heating that space. So for more information, check out our website, helvetic.ie.